Hi there! Want to know how to change default apps on your Realme 12X? So, as a first step, let's talk about what is a default application. Default application is pre-selected app on your device as a default. For example, if you will open a web link from any third app, for example Messenger, and you will need to be redirected to some search engine so you can see the website. So, the default app is, for example, Google Chrome, and if you will click on the web link, it will be open in the Google. And for example, if you prefer any other search engine instead of Google, this is what the default app is responsible for, and let me show you how to change it. So as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone, and here look for a tab which is named apps. So here is it how this tab looks. It got this icon with a 4 white squares. We would need to open it, and here as a third tab we can immediately see the default apps, and by clicking on it, here you'd be able to find a full list of the default apps. As you can see here, our browser app by default is Chrome, and by clicking on it you can switch to any other available on your device. So for example, we can switch to the internet by just clicking on it, and now if we will click on the arrow to go back, you can see that our default browser app has changed. So for example, here we can see some more default applications which doesn't have any more options because I have only these on my device. But if you will download the application that you would like to use as a default, you'll for sure see it in this list. And this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.